2019 King Quad 750 here. We got some Kimpex Commander Trex2 track kit here. These are off of 2016. So we'll find out here. Everything's gonna fit like it should. Alright, think we're getting her figured out here. And the rear bracket here, left hand side. Just got it set into place. These two holes go on either side of this piece of the A-arm. And on this side here, oh, power just went out. Okay. This side here, the mounting plate doesn't go on top of the A-arm. It just butts up on the side of this here piece. It'll focus. It butts up on the back of this piece of the A-arm here. It's kind of hard to see, but it doesn't sandwich it like this side here. Okay, we're getting the rear together here. Put that mounting plate on. And this thing, I loosened off that big nut on the front. That there. Got it loose. And this is gonna, this here, gonna go into that hole there. I need to lift up the back of the track just to get those to line up. Okay, I got a block of wood on the track there. That there's gonna go right in there. Alright, lug nuts are tightened up. Everything's tight here. On to the next side. Things are going a little quicker on this side. Got that bracket on the A-arm here. Same idea as last time. Sandwiches the A-arm up here. Butts up against the back, the inside of this one. Inside of that A-arm. Sits along here. About 1/4 of an inch inside the bottom of this here A-arm. Then I just got this track on and put some lug nuts on. I loosened up this here. Makes it easier to hook it up there. Same idea on this side, just the way that the bike is not sitting level. Got to get a block under this, under the back of this track, so that this here will line up. Alright, that's the back all wrapped up. Lug nuts are tight. Got those anti-rotation bars tight. Let her down, onto the front. Okay, so we're onto the front here. So this kit is off of 2016. And I'm working on a 19 here. But that bottom plate, bottom bracket fits real snug. Slide it in here, slide it up. Fits real snug. Clears everything else. So with that there, that on there, put my boot in, hold it up, and I take this top bracket, set it not exactly where it's supposed to go. Lift that bottom bracket down. This here, I set that in there like that. All the holes line up. Oh, that's not right. It's gotta be down. Yeah, no, that's right. It's gonna sit right about there. So that hole hits that little piece on the A-arm right there. I'll show you. That other one. gonna set about there. And then this bottom bracket sits there. So we got this hole gonna line up. That one there is gonna line up. That one there is gonna line up. And that one here hits that little tube. So I'm just gonna drill another hole. Alright, a new hole drilled in the top plate there. It's gonna sit right about there. A hole drilled in the bottom one. And that's gonna sit. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, get this thing bolted on. Alright, got this front bracket on. There's a bolt in the hole that I had to drill. That's the one that wouldn't line up. And now I got the bracket on. Everything's tight. Don't adjust this stuff yet. Not quite sure what the deal is with that stuff. Anyways, got this one on. Working on the other side here now. Got this bracket on. Make sure you don't forget that. Here's the bolt that I had to drill the new hole for. But that actually fits pretty good in there.